បងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាចាថ្ងៃនេះនឹងខ្ញុំបិទស្វាយធ្វើស្ងោរជ្រូកត្រីអូខេចាស្ងោរជ្រូកត្រីចឹងបិទស្វាយដើមនៅផ្ទះ Hello everybody yes I pick up the mango for my fish soup recipe today yeah and I'm gonna pick like some green herb yeah so take only one this one alone oh this one is bigger I need home I cut the lemongrass for my fish recipe today. One green herb. I'm gonna cut some to make my recipe today. It's small. Yes. Recipe fish soup, yes. So we slice all the green herb. Boiling and then we add the lemongrass and galangal. Okay, and we start to add the lemongrass and galangal to it. Yes, and boil it for a while. Okay, now we take the lemongrass out. And then start to add fish. Now time to add the fish. And we add the garlic. And we start to add all ingredients of friend. Yeah, so we start to add the fish sauce. Yeah. And some seasoning and chicken powder. Some sugar. Yes, and some salt, like this salt. And then we taste the soup. Taste it. It's good. Okay, now time to eat. It's egg. Ingredient, friend, and this herb, and mango. Because we eat with the mango sauce. Now it's ready like this. About fish. And with the mango. No, it is so. Yeah, with mango sauce. It's very delicious with the taste of the fresh fish from the lake. A lot of nutrient from the skin of the fish, you know, because it can help for the skin, for hair. That's why I keep it the skin of the fish. I don't take it away because a lot of nutrient and on it. Thank you for spending time watching, all my lovely friends. Hope to see you again and wait for my next video new recipe. អរគុណបងប្អូនអរគ្នាចាជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយៗទៀតណាជម្រាបលា